In a move seen as a preemptive strike against potential protests, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has deployed soldiers and police officers to Chitungwiza and some parts of Zimbabwe ahead of the SADC summit. The increased military presence has sparked concerns among locals who fear a crackdown on dissenting voices. Mnangagwa's decision to deploy soldiers is widely viewed as a bid to maintain his grip on power amid growing discontent among Zimbabweans. The government's heavy-handed approach has led to businesses and residents self-imposing an early curfew as tensions simmer in the area. On Wednesday afternoon, a convoy of army tankers and police vehicles entered Chitungwiza with soldiers equipped with motorized gear and police officers armed with water cannons, batons and guns. The show of force is seen as a warning to those who might consider protesting against President Mnangagwa's rule. Zimbabwe Republic Police spokesperson Ponyati downplayed the deployment, describing it as a normal procedure to ensure police visibility. However, locals are convinced and the deployment has already impacted daily life in Chitungwiza, with many opting to stay indoors earlier than usual.